What's up, guys? This is something I wanted to do that was going to be a little different than what I normally do, but this is a vlog update of my studio progress. If you guys haven't seen, I did a small update of my studio progress maybe about a month or two ago, just of me painting this room that I'm standing in right now, which is where my studio is. If you guys want to see that, I'll put a link in the description below and you guys can just look at that. But basically what I did was I just painted the studio a lighter color so that way I can get more light in my videos, which is very important, obviously, to video. So, in this update, I wanted to let you guys see what I did for sound. It's a small sound upgrade, and it was fairly cheap. So basically, I had a problem with, sorry if it's a little shaky, I had a problem with echo in this room. As you guys can see, this is the room where I keep my where I do my recording, basically. It's kind of shared right now with my daughter, my 3-year-old daughter, which is fine, but we make it work. You know, she pays her half of the rent. Just kidding. It's an open room and it doesn't have much in it right now. So, and it has a ceramic floor. So that really causes an echo issue. So I wanted to get rid of that issue as fast as I could, and I didn't want to spend a ton of money soundproofing, so I came up with an idea to help, obviously, with the echo in the room. So the first thing I want you guys to see is on the ceiling right here, actually. That's where we're going to start. So if you guys can see, try and get the camera to look at it, there's a blue line going across my ceiling, and in that line you can see, I'll put it up higher a little bit, in that line you can see hooks that are actually in the ceiling that are, you know, laid out in a straight line, obviously. And the reason why I did that, well, I did like a line, I had a line striker and I just struck a line on the ceiling. I just wanted to make it as straight as I can. So I struck a line and I put these hooks where that line was. Now the question is, what are those hooks for? Well, guys, we're gonna find out in just a second. I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna cut, and I'm gonna show you exactly what they were for and what they do and how they benefit me with sound and echo issues. 1 second. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you guys exactly what I did. I'm already all set up. Took about half a second, thanks to movie magic, and there it is, guys. What is this huge black sheet hanging behind me? Ow, crap. Ooh, bright light, bright light. Well, guys, that is actually what those holes were for in my ceiling. So yes, I bought some blankets, specifically moving blankets. They do have soundproofing blankets, but the prices are crazy expensive just for one blanket. So I did some research, and moving blankets are, they're not as good, but they'll do the job of getting rid of the echo. I don't know if you guys can actually hear the difference. It's actually a pretty big difference with the echo. Like, you really don't hear as much echo. So what materials did I use? Well, let's take a look. Okay, guys, so first thing you're gonna need are some hooks that I got from Home Depot. These were about $10 for a pack of 10. Some anchors. So anchors, if you guys have them laying around a house, or if you need to buy some, they really aren't too expensive. You can get some pretty decent anchors, a big pack of them at that, for about $5 to $6 at your local hardware store as well. So the next thing that I use that you guys are gonna need are some grommets. So I got some grommets that I ordered off of Amazon. I'll link the kit down below if you guys wanna know what kit I bought. I got these grommets that actually came with a hardware kit to help me install them, since the moving blankets didn't come with any holes for me to hang them up with. The grommet kit, or the grommet tool kit, this kit actually helps you to poke the holes through whatever you want to poke holes through, any type of fabric or anything, and it actually helps you to you know, squeeze the grommets down so that way they clamp tight around whatever you want to use. And of course, the last thing I'd really recommend is a tape measure, because you need to measure out exactly how far the holes are and where to actually drill the holes. So that's it, guys. Not bad. And I'll put everything down in the description if you guys want to know where I got everything from. Okay, guys, so that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed my little vlog style update to my studio. Oh, wow, hit something. If you did, let me know down in the comments. If you have any other suggestions, you know, maybe to help with my echo and sound issues, let me know down in the comments. And if you like what you see, don't forget to hit that like button. If you love it, consider subscribing, and don't forget to hit that bell icon when you do subscribe, so that way you get notified when I upload new videos like this. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out. Whew.